Tiffany. I'm a consumer support specialist.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm a product specialist with Mag-Torch.
Tim, I get a lot of people who write into me and ask how to fill their butane torch. Can you walk us through what we need to do to get that done?
Yeah, most definitely. Very common question, and it's really an easy process. So we have our Mag-Torch Butane here with us, and we have several Mag-Torch butane torches. Each one of these, as you can see on the bottom, has a refill port. They're all, a little bit different, but each one has that same or similar refill port on the bottom. And so to refill, simply remove the cap from the Mag-Torch butane and take the torch, hold it upside down, line the butane vertically, and then just push down. And you saw that little bit of vapor that came out? That actually says the torch is now full.
Okay, great. I know they ask about that too. When there's a little bit of spillage, they worry, did I do it properly? But it's great to know that yes, you did.
Yeah,
do it properly.
exactly. That's the indication, like I said,
Okay.
that the torch is full. If there's any excess that spills over, you obviously just wipe it off.
Okay.
Paper towel on your hands if anything. But there's no issue with that, and that shows us that like I said, the torch is full.
I did notice in the cap there's different tips.
Right.
Is that for the different torches?
Yeah, so with the Mag-Torch brand, they're all the same.
Okay.
But then, if you have a different brand of butane torch, there may be slightly different port on the bottom, slightly different size. So the advantage of the Mag-Torch butane, like you said, has the different adapters that you just take out of here and put on the can, and it'll match up perfectly to a different brand of torch.
Perfect. Thank you. I appreciate the lesson.
For sure, yeah, thank you.
For more information, go to magtorch.com.